Hello, little artists! Are you ready to draw something super fun and colorful today? Let's draw a staircase together.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Start from the top. Draw a small rounded step. Now draw another step below it. Make it a little bigger. Keep going. Each step should be bigger than the previous one. Draw a total 6 rounded steps. Great job! Now draw a rectangle wall behind the staircase. Inside the wall, draw horizontal lines. Now add vertical lines to make brick shapes.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, that looks amazing! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so our artwork really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Brown color.
Wow!
Yellow color. Red color. Orange color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Awesome coloring! You did a fantastic job today. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next drawing video.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.